Chris Whalen, 56 years old.
What were things like for you when you first began working with CJ Physical Therapy and Pilates?
So before I came to CJ Physical Therapy, I was dealing with a lot of pain in my shoulder. I had been diagnosed with a torn rotator cuff, had gone into a couple of doctors where surgery was suggested as an alternative or as an option, and I decided I'd give it another shot, give physical therapy another shot, so I came here. And I was very frustrated because I like to swim, and obviously your shoulder is going to affect your ability to swim, and so I would re-injure it pretty much once a year, and I just wait it out. I'd have to be out of the pool for a few months at a time, and that's frustrating. And so I came here looking for a fix.
What kinds of improvements or impact on your life have you been able to see as a result of working here at CJ Physical Therapy and Pilates?
The biggest impact on my life is I'm able to swim again, and so it makes me feel better. It's one of my favorite workouts to do is to get into the pool and just get some laps in, and so for a while there I wasn't able to do that, and when I did try to do it, there was always pain involved, and it wasn't just pain from swimming, it was pain for days afterwards, and so CJ Physical Therapy gave me the tools to be able to work within that, so stretching and things like that to relieve the pain and to make it so that I didn't get any pain.
What do you love most about visiting our office here at CJ Physical Therapy and Pilates?
Well, there's two things. I mean, obviously, you have to like the people you're working with, and CJ Physical Therapy staff entirely, front to back, are just fun and knowledgeable, and that's just as important. You can't just be fun. You got to come here. You're here for a reason. You're here to get fixed, and certainly the people that I've worked with at CJ Physical Therapy have been fantastic, very knowledgeable, and have been able to help me quite a bit.
How has working with CJ Physical Therapy and Pilates helped you to feel more confident or empowered?
Well, I mean, anytime you're injured, right, you don't feel whole, and so when you don't feel whole, it's hard to be confident. It's hard to go through your day-to-day life, and so being able to take that pain away and be able to take the thought of the pain away gives you the ability to focus on your day-to-day life, and so and allows you to do the things that make your head feel good, which is getting in the pool and getting those laps in. So,
what do you want other people to know about working with us?
Just that the first step is always the hardest, right? Getting to know the people here, is an adjustment. Just getting in here is the hardest part. But once you're in here and you start working it, and if you follow the direction that you're given from CJ Physical Therapy, at least for me, I got to work. I had to work at it. It wasn't something that was just coming in here once a week or coming in every other week to do the work here. It was doing the work at home as well and doing the exercises. And if you do that, then you'll get fixed. I think that's the idea. It fixed me.
If someone was on the fence about working with us, what would you say to make them feel more confident to give us a try?
Yeah, I mean, what do you got to lose, right? You can go in for surgery, right, which was an option for me. I'm really glad I didn't take it, or you can come and try something like this, right? So what do you got to lose? There's no reason not to be here. It's a little uncomfortable trying to do something new, but like anything else, it's only nuance, and then after that you get used to it. And like I said, the people here have been fantastic and very encouraging for me, and it's worked for me.
Anything else you want to add that you want people to know?
Yeah, no, just like I said, the people here are fun. I have a great time every time I come, and I always feel better. It's not always right after I leave. Sometimes there's some pain involved in physical therapy, but certainly within a day or two, and then being able to take care of my shoulder and be able to get back in the pool has been a big plus for me.